To buy or not to buy? Long-term future of Monero cryptocurrency. Is Monero worth the investment in the cryptocurrency market? Let's find out. When an opportunity presents itself in the cryptocurrency market, you best take it. And that's the case with Monero right now. Initially known as Monero, Monero was launched in 2014 as a split from Bitcoin that was launched in 2012. Monero prides itself on being secure, private, and decentralized. Unlike Bitcoin, where transactions can be traced back to the concerned person, Monero uses advanced cryptography that hides the identities of the parties involved. XMR is the crypto coin that runs on the Monero blockchain. It uses the same proof-of-work algorithm as Bitcoin. What do the numbers say? Between April 2020 and April 2021, XRM saw more than 5.8 million transactions at an average of 16,000 transactions per day, according to the data on its website. This is a steep rise from 2.8 million transactions that took place between April 2019 and April 2020. At present, XRM is accepted by a couple of payment gateways like Crypt API, Coin Payments, and Now Payments. At the start of 2021, XMR crossed its all-time high of $495 to reach the $517 mark. Currently, Monero is trading at a value of $269 at the time of writing. On CoinMarketCap, this cryptocurrency is ranked 26 with a market cap of $4 billion. Long-term predictions. According to the algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor, Monero's XRM is expected to reach $438.50 by the end of 2021. The price will increase to a new all-time high of $548.56 by the end of 2022. By the end of 2025, XRM will be valued at $875.20 and $926.49 in May 2026. Another crypto trading website, Coinpedia, predicts that if the cryptocurrency market stays bullish for the most part, Monero could reach its peak of $700 by the end of 2021. But if the market remains bearish, Monero's value will comfortably trade around the $500 mark. By 2022, a rally can shoot up its price to $1,500 and eventually correct itself at $1,147. With everything bullish, Monero could trade above $1,100 in 2025. So, with this information, should you buy Monero in the current dip? XRM is one of the most private cryptocurrencies, and owing to all the crypto scams that are coming to light, the demand for private and secure cryptocurrencies will only increase. Amidst all the volatility, Monero does show signs of quick stabilization, and many organizations have started to accept XRM as a mode of payment. All these are green signs for you to invest in this cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for more interesting videos.